Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the Larry Williams Proxy Index Indicator. All right. Let's start by adding the indicator to the chart, the Larry Williams Proxy Index. Okay, so basically this indicator is a momentum-based indicator, as we can see, and it is designed to measure buying and selling pressure in the market. So it works by analyzing price movement and comparing it to price data to determine whether bulls or bears are in control. This helps traders understand the strength behind price moves. So when the indicator rises, all right, when it rises, it suggests increasing buying pressure. All right, especially when it crosses above the 50 level. Okay, it can indicate buying pressure. All right, buying pressure, like we can see what happened here. So I mean, when it drops below the 50 level, that is for the buying. Okay, and when it crosses above the 50 level, that's for the selling. You will notice that when the indicator line drops below the 50 level, it turns green, right? And that shows simultaneously buying move. All right, you can see at the same time, that's when we have a buy move, right? But then when the indicator line turns red as it crosses above the 50 level, it indicates sell pressure. All right, so you want to look out for the positioning, of the indicator line with respect to the 50 level. Okay, so make sure that even when using this indicator, you always get your confirmations and always trade in the direction of the trend. It's very important. You want to look out for buy opportunities in a bullish trend and sell opportunities in a bearish trend. Okay, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. All right, you can also consider using this indicator for spotting divergence, right? Because you can see is a momentum indicator, right? So you can check out for divergence, using the indicator with indicators, lower highs and lower lows, and then the price actions, lower highs and lower lows, or rather higher highs and higher lows, right? As the case may be, whether it's a bullish divergence or a bearish divergence. Okay, so you can both identify your bearish and bullish pressures and also spot divergences using this indicator. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.